Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial for Automation Compass. Let's discuss processes and how Automation Compass can assist you in managing them effectively. A process is a series of steps or activities that you follow to achieve a specific outcome. It can be a set of instructions, procedures, or tasks that are designed to help you complete a particular task or reach a specific goal. Analyzing a process requires additional information than the process model, such as how it aligns with your company's overall goals and strategy, along with other important details. This comprehensive understanding enables you to make informed decisions and ensure any process improvements are in line with your organization's objectives. With Automation Compass, you can capture not only your process models but also all the vital process information, including improvement initiatives and how each process contributes to the bigger picture of your company. Let's take a closer look at how it works. In the Manage Process module, you can easily locate and organize your processes. Here, you can set criteria for displaying columns and quickly find the exact information you need. Sorting columns and applying multiple filters allow for even more precise results. Once you open a process, you have several elements at your disposal to organize and document it effectively. Process name: assign a unique name to your process for easy identification. Process owner: identify the person responsible for the process or the point of contact for any inquiries. Capability: link your processes to the specific capabilities they enable. Note that only the lowest level capabilities in your capability map will be displayed in this section. If you want to link a process to a capability that doesn't exist in your map, create it first in the capability map and then link it. Process stage: track the current status of your process in terms of process improvement. The stages include discovery: identifying the process and outlining its scope, owners, and other details. Modeling: mapping or refining the process to add more levels of detail or update the information. Analysis: exploring opportunities for process improvement, identifying pain points, bottlenecks, and generating improvement ideas. Improvement: implementing identified opportunities and monitoring associated risks, costs, and other factors. Monitoring: observing the process, collecting data, and measuring the benefits achieved after implementation. Process description: provide a summary of your process. Systems: document the systems utilized within the process. Category: categorize your process as guiding, enabling, or supporting based on the process classification framework. Furthermore, there are additional tabs that influence how your process interacts with the rest of the tool. These tabs include Model: this tab allows you to view the attached model for your process. You can update the model by decoupling it and attaching a new version from various sources such as a BPMN file, a text file, or by refreshing a process imported from BlueWorks Live. Also, explore potential automations and simulate them using the Actions button. Opportunities: help visualize all process improvement initiatives within a backlog, including automation and general improvements. This allows you to prioritize and plan your process enhancement efforts effectively. Assessment enables you to prioritize your process improvement efforts by scoring different criteria. Gain measures the contribution or alignment of the process to strategic goals. By assigning a score from 1 to 5, you can evaluate how much the improvement of this process will help in achieving your overall goals. The pain criteria will help you quantify the pain points within the process based on general business criteria. Assigning a score from 1 to 5, you can evaluate the severity or intensity of the pain points. The maturity criteria indicates how ready the process is for implementing improvement opportunities. It assesses factors such as the existing documentation, standardization, and stability of the process. Utilizing the widgets in the dashboard, you can compare processes based on their gain, pain, and maturity scores. These visualizations assist in prioritizing processes that have high potential gains, significant pain points, or are ready for improvement. For processes imported from BlueWorks Live, view efficiency information that measures the value-added time versus waiting time for specific activities. Efficiency calculations are derived from dividing total work time by total cycle time. Overall process efficiency and efficiency by milestone are also provided. This data contributes to the creation of a capability heat map based on efficiency.